Can you show Mommy how to make a duck?
Okay. I will. I'll show you how to make this, okay? Give me it, okay?
Okay, what do you have to do first?
Put some little more.
Do you need me to help you?
Yes. I have a little rubber.
Maybe you need to use that other piece that's right there next to your elbow.
Oh.
And put it together like a ball and then squish it. Put them both together like a ball and the other piece. Put the other piece with it. No, Nina. See that piece too? Take this piece and make one big ball.
I'm making a big ball right now.
Okay, but you need to put the two pieces together.
Oh.
Yeah, very good. Now squish them all together in your hand.
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
There. Do you want to have it?
Sure.
I'll put it right on the table, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna fish your bar?
I'm squishing it so you can make a duck out of it.
No. I'm doing it. I'll leave it like that.
Or you want it to stay like a ball?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I didn't know. Nina, do you want to go to school tomorrow?
Yes. The teachers?
The teachers? And who else? Your friends?
Yes.
Are you going to cry?
No.
Good. You going to have fun?
Yes.
And you're going to play?
I cried a little bit.
A little bit, but not too much because you missed Mommy. But then Mommy came and got you because Mommy will never leave you there.
Because you leave me there.
Yeah, that's why you cried a little. But I came and got you. I didn't leave you there all day.
The bug?
There's a oh no! How did that get here?
It's just two ladybugs.
Two ladybugs?
I think it's bumblebees.
No, it's a ladybug. You're right. Nina, how about when you went to the doctor? Did you cry at the doctor?
No.
What about when you got a shot, the flu shot? You were very brave, right?
I have a good girl.
You were a good girl.
There's a big girl.
Yeah, you're a big girl. And then they gave you a lollipop because you were such a good girl, remember?
Another one fish. There's some ice on the refrigerator.
Oh, an ice pop?
Yes.
You want an ice pop?
No. I got a regular one.
Oh, you want a regular lollipop? Okay, after you eat your dinner, Mommy will give you one.
I lost it.
Uh-oh, Mommy will pick it up.
Later.
Okay. Don't let me forget.
But I can't reach it.
Then you should get it.
I think I'll make a duck now. I think I will make a duck now.
Okay.
Hey, it's stuck to me.
It's stuck to your hand? You gotta peel it off like this.
Oh.
Make it flat. Push it like that. Flat, flat, flat. Oh no, now it's stuck to the top.
Again?
Nope, the other way.
Oh, this way? Let's talk to the top.
Now you can make your duck.
Uh-oh, I lipped it. Let me fix it, okay?
Okay, honey.
Uh-oh. I lipped another one.
Another one?
I think I was making a new one.
out. Put it together with this. Look.
I think I'll make a cow.
A cow? Here you go. The cow is big. You're going to need a lot of Play-Doh.
Okay.
Get some more out of the bucket.
Okay. This bucket?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. I get some Lego. That is okay.
Not really. It's too small. You're only going to get half a cow.
Half a cow?
You don't want half a cow. You want a whole cow.
Ready? Half cow? Like that, like that.
Use this piece. Make this piece flat. And then you can make a big cow.
Bigger cow?
Mm-hmm.
Let me put it right there, okay? Little Gus, okay?
Next to Gus, okay. Flatten it out good.
Gus loves to play Play-Doh. But I'm playing in his house.
Yeah.
That's okay?
No, make it flatter.
It's too little?
Yeah, you gotta make it bigger.
Like this?
Let me help you a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Like that?
Let's make it nice and big so it's big enough for the cow.
That's okay, Mommy?
Let me see the cow. Let me see if it fits. No, a little bit bigger.
That's big enough?
I think so. That's good. Go ahead. You make the cow.
Not yet.
Why not?
Look, I made his feet.
Yeah, make the rest of him.
Okay. I think it was too big.
Hold on. Let's try again. Like this. Mommy will help you. Now you push it down.
I think it's too big.
It's not too big. Look, push it down. Now peel the outside like Mommy showed you.
Okay. Like this. Then like a pot around side.
Yeah, and what about this side?
You remember this?
Mm-hmm. What about this side of the cow?
Could I take it?
Take that off.
Like this?
That worked. Now can you pop the cow out? No, not like that.
Let me try, okay? Take it. Let me get that out of there, okay? I think it's crossing me. I think it's crossing me. Let me leave it like that, okay? Hey! I lost him! I lost him now. Tail's gone.
His tail's gone?
Yes. I can't believe it.
You can't believe it?
Yes. Yeah.
Should I help you? Where's his tail? I don't think that cow has a tail.
A spider? A spider.
That's not a spider.
That's a little bit of Play-Doh.
Yeah. Oh, I got the cow out. Let's give the cow a tail. I don't know if cows have tails in real life. Maybe little ones. Let's give this cow a tail. Like that. You like his tail?
Let me make another one, okay?
Okay.
Let me try to make a bigger one, okay?
Okay.
Let's try to make a bigger one.
Okay.
Here's a bigger one, okay?
Okay.
Let me
Bigger tail.
take that one off, okay?
Okay.
I made it big.
Good job.